Yeah.
First, we have pink and an orange.
Who likes oranges? Let's take our
Me.
I like orange juice.
take our magic wand and find out who likes this orange.
Zuma.
Zuma.
Zuma loves oranges.
Let's cut a
He's
piece
the best driver on hovercraft.
Let's cut a piece for Zuma.
Zuma, an official member of the Paw Patrol, really important.
Awesome.
Zuma,
Yeah.
the important member.
A strawberry. Who likes strawberries?
I bet it's rubble, everybody.
You think so? Just because it's yellow?
Yeah.
Don't be disappointed.
I think that's Robin.
Oh, it's Everest. So,
Everest likes strawberries. Should we cut a piece for Everest?
the special member in the Paw Patrol, she's the specialist. She really likes strawberries, and she's the best snow pup ever.
Okay, guys, we're back.
I think it's Marshall.
Let's see who loves cantaloupe.
Is it Rocky? I don't know.
I think it's Everest.
Everest again?
Everest.
It's Ariel.
Ariel from The Little Mermaid. I love Ariel.
The best thing about her is that in the end, the good guys win. So I kind of like the movie.
It was a good movie.
So
Cut some pieces for Ariel.
Ariel loves cantaloupe.
Great. Ooh, a tomato.
Tomato.
Who do you think loves tomatoes?
I bet it's Rocky.
I bet it's Rocky.
You guys are still hoping for Paw Patrol?
It's Rocky, I think, guys.
Or Anna. So,
Yeah, we don't know. So,
Okay, let's find out.
Or is it
1,
Mario?
2, 3.
Cinderella.
Cinderella! We love Cinderella. I love her
Yeah.
dress.
The
Yeah.
dress is so beautiful,
we
and I love
knocked
the
her
movie.
over. Let's cut another piece for Cinderella and try not to knock her over this time. Oh, did it again. Whoops. Sorry, Cinderella. There we go. Cinderella, 3 pieces of tomato for you. Thank you. You're welcome. Lemon.
He likes lemon. Sky.
Everest.
Sky.
I think it's Everest.
Let's
I
get the
think
magic
it's
wand
Sky,
out.
everyone.
Let's get the magic wand and see who likes lemon.
Everest.
I bet it's Everest.
I bet Everest.
Oh, it's Snow White.
Snow White.
Snow White loves lemon. Let's cut a piece for Snow White.
Yeah.
Looks like she'll have a great time with lemon. I think she even likes lemon juice.
I think so too. She squeezes some into her water. All right, very nutritious. High in vitamin C. Okay, apple. Who loves apple? Do you have an idea?
I bet it's
Everest.
Sky.
I bet it's Everest.
Oh,
Shopkin.
Girl.
And I know her name.
Shopkin
The
girl.
Christmas chocolate bar.
the name of the
Christmas
Shopkins is
chocolate.
Cheeky Chocolate.
Cheeky chocolate.
Cut a piece of apple of Cheeky Chocolate. You should be eating more apples.
Yeah, cheeky chocolate.
And then we can eat more of you because you look so delicious. Oh, watermelon. Okay,
I don't want you.
Ellen.
you don't want to eat apples.
I think it's Everest.
Everest likes watermelon? Everest probably does.
I see.
But somebody likes watermelon more than Everest, and it's
Mario, you are so good. He's from the 82, I think, and pretty much the savior of the world.
Let's cut some pieces off for Mario.
Mario, always, he should just normal. I wish he didn't have to do any races to earn trophies. Why didn't he just get them randomly? Because he's just a hero.
Yeah, he's pretty awesome. Lots of versions of him too.
Yeah,
He's going to eat a piece of
I like
watermelon.
when he has star power though.
Me too. Oh, it's banana. Who loves banana?
I think it's Everest.
Okay.
You always say Everest.
All right, let's get out the magic wand and see who loves banana.
Yeah.
On the count of 3.
Everest is Everest.
À la français, 1, 2, 3. Peppa
Papa
Pig.
Pig.
Peppa Pig. You love banana?
Yes, I do.
Let's cut a piece for Peppa Pig.
Big pieces. Banana hit Peppa Pig. Sorry, Peppa.
I put back together her banana.
To cut a piece again because this is just so much fun. The Velcro inside this toy makes the sound really neat when you cut into it. I thought it was fun. Let's see what our next fruit. Oh, it's not a fruit, it's a vegetable. It's a cucumber.
Everest?
Everest loves cucumber.
I guess.
What's your guess?
Mine guess is Everest. Anyways, so
Is it Minecraft
Oh.
Steve? Oh, it's Care Bears!
This is Sunshine Bear. Sunshine Bear loves
Sunshine.
cucumber.
yeah.
She is the best at helping track of the sun. And she can make it turn to sun today.
She beams love from her belly.
She beams her power. So she is the best.
Okay, this is a green pepper. Do you like green peppers?
Yeah.
Well, let's see in this surprise egg who likes green peppers.
I bet it.
I bet it's
Luigi.
1, 2, 3.
Spider-Man! He is another best superhero, and he kind of saves the world sometimes from Venom. I don't like Venom. Venom's the worst. He's the worst villain in Spider-Man, so yeah. Maybe Dog God is also the worst, but yeah.
Oh, Spider-Man, you have lots of pieces of green pepper for yourself.
It's all yours.
Okay.
Chase!
Carrot.
Chase!
Chase! Who loves
Chase.
carrot? Let's get our magic wand out and find out who loves this carrot. Chase! 1, 2, 3.
Chocolate!
Chicoletta loves carrots. Didn't you guys know that? Let's cut a piece off for Chicoletta.
You got the piece you wanted.
Oh,
Okay.
this is a pear.
A pear? So they're pretty yummy. But
Marshall!
Yeah, but I don't know.
Marshall!
Batman? Really? Batman loves pears.
Batman's another superhero, the best one, and
And he loves pears.
yep, and I think his worst villain, Joker.
Thanks
He's
for
the
watching
worst.
Birthday Candyland.
Thanks for watching.
Please give this video a thumbs up. Give us a like.
Yeah, give us a like and subscribe. Which one was your favorite?
Yeah! Yeah, goodbye!